Hello and welcome to Jingle Bells Electronics. We have this Jeep Gladiator that we did an audio system upgrade on it by adding two amplifiers, a Chuchero, a car, an SUV, and you're not happy with the audio system, come to Jingle Bells Electronics and we'll upgrade it for you. We do lighting, we do remote startup, we do all upgrades for Jeeps and other cars also. And we offer financing, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, interest deferred. So come to Jingle Bells.